This is the CX500 I've been doing. It's turned out really nice. It's a candy orange and silver, and you saw the black base. The black base I used to create this line. It's a painted line. That's a sticker. That's a painted line. I couldn't find a line that thick, so I ended up painting the whole tank black and masking this out. Managed to find some nice rocker covers. New tyres, Avon Speedmasters front and rear. Tulip pipes. It was such a nice bike, I didn't feel like sewing it up, so I didn't. I just turned it into a civilised, kind of a civilised bobber. Old school, whatever you want to call it, it's just a little bit different. Mudguard's been chopped down. Managed to keep see the line here. Managed to keep that, welded it together nicely and then filled it and sprayed it. Nice backlight. Turned out nice. Nice retro indicators. Nice backlight. Looking good. Looking good. Runs nice as well. So there we go, all finished. I'll do another video when I ride it, see what it's like. It's such a low mileage bike, this, 15,000 miles. That, 1979. 1979 model. So there we go. All finished, all done. And I think the next project is going to be this thing here. This is a CSR 650 Kawasaki, and that's going to have a bit of treatment next. We'll see anyway.